Going on a truck cruise. I'm in Buster and my son's back here. And if you get hot, you remember we got AC vents right here, right there. And we have one more vent too. If you need some cold AC, ankle vent. Yeah, right there, dude. So how have you been? I think it's been, man, was it vlog 2, vlog 3? Was the first time that you guys seen Buster. Been neglecting Buster, feel bad, trying to make up for it. So we're heading to downtown Kansas City. There's supposed to be a car show there. It's called First Fridays. I've never been, but KC Autoworx, where I took Buster and Buster's only vlog so far, they're hosting a car show. It's probably going to be some really cool classics. So I figured Buster would be appropriate to bring, and along with Tightwad Farmtruck back here. Let's cruise. I have a question for all of you. Now the people that know the answer, you don't have to answer it. But I'm curious if there's anyone that doesn't know what this is. What is it? I've had a kid riding with me before. It's my son's friend years ago. And he was looking confused and said, "What is this?" Because it's weird if you're used to switches, but that's your hint. Most of the time there's a switch there. But this is a manual lever and it goes in circles. It may sound ridiculous, but man, I felt super old. I mean, not that I'm not, but I did. It just verified it. All right, that's all I got for you for now. Keep it on cruising. My air conditioner won't stay on. That's all right. I still have my ankle vent right down there. That one's working. Okay. Next question. I'm curious because it's a beautiful spring-like evening right now. Great weather. Is there anyone that misses winter? Because I don't at all, not even a little bit. I have people all the time that say, yeah, you will. Yeah, you will whenever it gets 100 degrees. Nope, not me. Not me, not ever. You'll never hear me say that. Okay, maybe. I'm gonna delete it. Anytime I ever said it from here forward, I'm deleting that. So don't worry, you're not gonna hear it. Hey, relax. It's just Kansas City being Kansas City. That's normal. Nothing to see here. Just relax, calm down. Okay. Almost to our destination. This is our exit. Oh yeah, you're gonna make it. Oh, you almost didn't make it. Oh no. That's where we're going. That's exactly where we're going. All right, I'm putting you down for a minute. All right, let's get parked. I don't know if it's picking up, but this is a massive hill we're backing up. Tightwad Farmtruck and Buster. And we're about to walk around and check out our first Fridays in downtown Kansas City. I believe it's just in the art district. but we'll see for ourselves. I was not expecting to see an RX-8 here. One question. What is that? It's crazy. We won't see another square body like that here. No. I guarantee. Del Monte. Check out the food truck. That's Ruby 2 Scoops. You remember that from the vlog? Hey, we've been here before. You remember KC Autoworx. We'll head outside in a minute. There's too much to see in here. Look at that paint. Oh my gosh. Ooh. And if you think that's cool, check this ride out. Check it out up here. Look at the monster C-notch. Lane frame, easy. Cool rides, man. Check out the surfboard. Do not see that every day in the Midwest. Vet cart, back in the vlog. Old school Dodge. What year is that? Is it 69 Dodge pickup? Pretty wicked metal art. Yeah. Back at the truck. First Fridays was fun. There's a whole lot of people. I'm trying to capture as many vehicles as I could for you. But there's a whole lot of people. I probably need some meta glasses. That way I can capture everything I seen because it was cool. Okay, back to the house. Tightwad farm truck. Looking good as always. Got the candy tangerine cleaned up. Love it. can't believe we're about to catch up to him. We're only doing 70. You didn't know you'll let me pass him. I don't think. Disappear on that Maserati until I seen he had his lady with him, and I thought, nah, I don't want to embarrass the guy or anything, man. You know, probably on a hot date. I don't know. And me, I'm lone wolfing it. You know, I'll take the L for the guy, but he owes me. Man, I think I'm gonna call it right here. Beautiful evening. I hope you had a good evening. There's a police officer. You gone? Okay. I'm gonna call it right here. I'll say goodbye. So, hope you had a good evening, good morning, good night. Another police officer. Okay, we're clear. All right, well, take care. I will see you soon. Thank you very much for tuning in. Later. Got like 3 feet of air. Nice.